Repeat, please. To bark.
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 Barked.
To meow.
To meow.
Meow.
Meowed.
To purr.
To purr.
Purred.
Heard.
To narrow.
To be narrow.
Narrow.
Narrowed.
Narrow.
Narrowed.
Pay attention to the letter S. Presta atenção na letra S no começo. Narrow.
Narrowed.
Well done. To bite.
To bite.
Bit.
Bit.
Bitten.
Bitten.
Bite.
Bite.
To scratch.
To scratch.
Scratch it.
Scratch it.
Well done. Oh, let's go again. To bark.
To bark.
Bark.
Barked.
What's your to meow?
To meow.
Meow.
Meowed.
Meow. To purr.
To purr.
Purred.
Heard.
Ronronar. To narrow.
To is narrow.
Narrowed.
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 Start with the letter S. Narrowed.
Narrowed.
Well done. Rosnar. To bite.
To bite.
Bit.
Bit.
Bitten.
Bitten.
Order. Bite.
Bite.
Mordida. To scratch.
To scratch.
Scratched.
Scratched.
Arranhar. Coçar-se. Scratch.
Scratch.
Arranhão.
Okay.
Well done. Let's open. I'm gonna open some new sentences here with those words. So please, can you say the first verb once again?
To park.
Mhm.
Parked.
Yes. The neighbor's dog always barks at me.
The neighbor's dog always barks at me,
Even though it knows me.
even though it know me.
It knows me.
It knows me.
Well done. So, let's think about this. The neighbor's dog always barks at me. What does
Okay.
it que significa? What is the meaning of this sentence?
The neighbor's dog não é cachorro do vizinho?
Yes.
Always, sempre. Tá. Então fica o cachorro do vizinho sempre late pra mim.
Yes. Even though, do you remember even though?
É tipo mesmo.
Mesmo que, embora, né?
Então
Even
é
though knows me.
embora ele me conheça?
Well done, perfect. Good job.
Ok.
I'm gonna say a sentence in Portuguese now. How could you say this one in English? Aquele cachorro sempre late pra minha mãe. Remember that? Bark at. Late
Ok.
para. Aquele cachorro sempre late pra minha mãe.
That dog
Mhm.
always barks at my mother.
Well done, perfect. Good job. Let's go to the next one, please.
To meow. Meowed.
I may have heard a cat meowing.
I may have heard a cat meowing.
I may have heard. Do you remember may? When you are not sure, quando você não tem certeza. I may have heard.
Eu talvez tenha escutado, ouvido.
Ouvido. A cat meowing.
O gato miando? Miar?
Gato miando. Very good. Meowing, miando.
Miando.
Well done, good job. Well, let's make a question with this word. How can you ask this question? Você ouviu, no passado, hein? Simple past. Você ouviu o gato miando?
Did you hear the cat meowing?
Yes. Did you hear the
Hear.
cat meowing? Yes. Did you hear the cat meowing? Good job. Let's go to the next one.
To purr. Purr.
Purred.
Purred.
You need to vibrate your throat. Purred.
Purred.
Don't you love when kittens purr?
Don't you love when kittens purr?
Remember kittens? Filhotinho de
Gatinho.
gato? Don't you love when kittens purr?
Você não ama quando gatinhos ronronam?
Yes, very good. What about you, Thais? Don't you love when kittens purr? Você não ama? You. Don't you love? Yes. Don't you love when kittens purr?
Yes, I love.
Well done. And how about this sentence from Portuguese to English? Você consegue ouvir o gato ronronando? Você consegue ouvir o gato ronronando?
Can you hear
Yes, very good.
the cat purring?
Well done.